Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your science teacher, and today we study about the unit 7 work and machines. In this unit we have learned about the work, forces and machine, but today we will study the choose the correct answer or multiple choice question answers. Choose the correct answers. Now there is first option is fuel gives dash to the machine to do work. So in these options we choose which is the correct answer. Your first option is work, energy or petrol. So now we look which is the correct answer. A car needs fuel, to do work. A steam engine needs coal to do work. The fuel of our body is food. So the answer is energy. So fuel gives energy to the machine to do work. Now there is next option is a machine that helps us to lift heavy things is. Now they have given us some machines: train, crane, screwdriver. So now students, we choose which of them is the correct answer. Look at train, crane, screwdriver. So can you tell me which is the correct option? Yes, answer is crane. So a machine that helps us to lift heavy things is crane. Now look at another. The fuel of a steam engine is dash. Now there are three options: petrol, oil, coal. Now we see which of them is the correct option. This is a train. So you can see there are different fuels: natural gas, petrol or coal. So can you tell me students which is the correct option? Yes, the fuel of a steam engine is coal. Yes, this is the correct answer. The fuel of a steam engine is coal. Now there is next option. A bottle opener is a small dash. Now there are three options: machine, car, crane. So can you tell me which of them is the correct option? Now look at, this is a bottle opener, and these are all examples of simple machines: lever, inclined plane, wedge, pulley, wheel and axle, screw. Now we check which of them is the correct answer. Yes, this is bottle opener. You can see we open the bottle by using this bottle opener, and you can see Which of them is the correct answer? A car, a crane, or a simple machine? Yes, the correct answer is a bottle opener is a small machine. Yes, next option is to push a heavy things we need dash forces. To push a heavy things we need dash forces. Now there are three options, none of these, more or less. So we can check that we need more forces, less forces, or none of these. Now look at here. This is a trolley that we move, and we need less or more force? Yes, to move the light objects we need less force. Now look at, this is a car, and to move this car, this is a heavy object, so we need more or less force? This is a toy car, we need more or less force? Can you tell me answer? So you can see light objects and heavy objects. To move the heavy objects we need light force or more force? Yes, so we need more force to push or pull the heavy objects, and to push or pull the light objects we need less force. Now what is the correct answer? Yes, to push a heavy things we need more forces. So again, to push a heavy things we need more forces. So this is the correct answer, more forces. Now we repeat these all, choose the correct answers or these multiple choice questions. Fuel gives dash to the machine to do work. The answer is energy. So fuel gives energy to the machine to do work. Now your second option is a machine that helps us to lift heavy things is crane or screwdriver? Yes, your correct answer is crane. So a machine that helps us to lift heavy things is called crane. Now the fuel of a steam engine is petrol, oil, or coal? Yes, the correct answer is coal. So look at next. A bottle opener is a small machine, car, or crane? Yes, a bottle opener is a small machine. Now this is our last option. To push a heavy things we need dash forces, more, less, or none of these? Yes, the correct answer is more. So to push a heavy things we need more forces. So with the help of this video, I think so you can understand the multiple choice question answers, and thank you so much for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.